Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Honda, please help me subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification so every time I have new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2021 Honda CRV. So right now the problem is with the odometer. I cannot so when I plug in the scanner, it doesn't turn on. So either a blown fuse or broken wire somewhere, but most likely it's going to be a blown fuse. I already checked it out, and I'm going to show you. Now I have my wiring diagram right here. This is the OBD. They call it data link connector, 16 pin, 1 through 16. So 16 is power, 4 and 5 is ground. Right there you can see. And then where does the 16 gets power from? So it's going to chase it down. Fuse number 7 under the dash right here. Fuse number 7, 10 amp. And then there's one more under the hood, fuse 18, 10 amp. We're gonna check them both. To show you the OBD has ground but no power. So this is 4. So if you're counting from the left to the right, so this is 4 and 5. 5 is the one right next to it. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. That's 5 right next to it, right there. And then, so you're counting from the left to the right, so 1 would be on this side, and then 8 would be on this side, and then 16 would be on the bottom side right here. So this should be power, but there's no power. It's so hard to do with one hand. So that's 16, and it's giving me ground, so no power. So the fuse is bad. Fuse box is gonna be right here. The diagram is right under the steering wheel. So you can see, you're gonna count from left to right. Number 7, which is 10 amp right here. This one right here, ignition meter. So I'm gonna use my power probe. I'm gonna count 1 through 7. So I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So fuse number 7 right here. I'm gonna check for power. There's power. You can see it says 12.9. Check the other side, same thing. So fuse number 7 on the under the dash is good. And then I'm gonna go outside to the under the hood fuse box. Now it's gonna be fuse 18. It says right there, 10 amp backup. Now it's gonna be this one right here, and I found the problem. There you go. You can see ground on one side and power on one side. That means the fuse is blown. See that? So I'm gonna take that out. That's my new fuse. It's kind of hard to do with this one. I'll take this out. There you go. And you can see the fuse is blown right there. So I'm gonna put the new one in. There you go. Put my new fuse in. Check it again. Power on this side. Power on this side. After I replaced the fuse, 4 and 5, they're still ground. So I'm just checking for power on the 16. There you go. You can see that's 16 right there. That's 16, and it has power. 4 and 5 is still ground. I can show you. So this is 4 right there. That's 4, and right next to it is 5. Power and ground. That's good. So now I'm gonna plug my scanner in. It should work now. So I'm gonna plug it in. It should light up. There you go. Right away. There you go. Just a blown fuse, guy. So just a OBD scan. The fuse is blown. Now I can go in there and access the read code and all that. But that is it for this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But Doma, I'm out. Peace.